Ka ke nna Dimakatso Priska Martins. Ke tswa ke le ko Diepkloof, Soweto. Ke ngwaletse tseleng. Ke batla thuso. Ke gale ke batsamaya ba profita. Ke patala dingaka, ke batla thuso ka mme wa ka. Mama ha tsamaye. Mama ke motho o njalo o itora a tsamaye le nna le molora a tsamaya a le perfect a le right. Mone ke tse ke tsamateng wa tseba ba tla o bolela next door family ke kgathetse. Ke tlile mo ke tlo batla thuso ya hore ke connect maybe le badimo ke thole and di answer tsa gore ke eng exciting right le mama or what we doing wrong or ke eng tshwantseng re etse gore mama a be right.
Ere ke thome ka mogoko ka mma ke bona o bona le motse o mongwe mo le o dula mo teng ke go morago kwa mara ka motseng o dulang ka moteng ne ho na le moya wa dinoha mo ile hore every now and then ho bolaiwa noha ka mojarateng. Dinoha tse ke di bonang, I'm picking up 3 kinds of snakes. Mo ile hore e one e tla ena le letlalo le le white, e one e tla ena le letlalo le le black, close to blackish and silver, e one e tla ena le letlalo le le yellow and red at different times. And dinoha tse di a bolaiwa still hona ka mohare ha jarata eo. Dinoha tse he di tlhaha di na le motheo wa go tseya moya wa somebody each time go tla le noha eo. Somebody is either wa hobala, somebody wa tlhokofala, or somebody o loser a feeling ya di nerves mo ho yena. And so he ke lebella mama ke bona mokokotlo wa hae o tena into letlalo la noha. You know how a snake would shed off its skin? Yes. Mara mo yena ntho a teng e tlisa e bolaya the functionality of the nerves ka baka la moya o wa di noha o. And ntho e le gore e re fa problem today ke gore dinoha tse henene di bolaiwa e ne ba taba ya gore they were not disposed of correctly, ne ba sa di fisi o ne ba sa di epele. Ntho engwe ne e tsagala ya gore letlalo leo or whatever part ya noge ba ikra ba intsha ka mojarateng ya tsamaya. Now meboya ya batho ba bantši hona ka mahara motse o e tsamaile ka ona mokgwa o ya gore literally baloi ba tsene ba tlisa moya wa noga le rena ra itata ntho e ra itsamaisa ra isa ko strateng. Now hona le ntho engwe hape e iragalang mo mama Polena kwa a tswalang bana ko teng, because ke bona ka re hona le metse e mebedi mo ile re ona le bana in this house and bana ba bang in this house. And so mama lena o tsamaya ka ona moleko o wa gore mo a ya mo teng hona le ntho e ne iragala ka metse hae a go tlhapa. A re ha sno fetsa go tlhapa ha tsholla metsi motho mong o sa latla a wolla metsi ale a tseya seriti sa mama ka baka la gore e le taba ya gore ba tshela mama moya wa tshokolo and ba tshela mama moya wa tshokolo gore le bana ba hae ba tshokole ba tla isege. And even one of bana ba hae they were meant to have a car accident ngwana a thule ke koloi ka baka la metsi a na tseiwa. And so that is why le ha tshwantse a nyadiwe a tsene ka mahare ha lenyalo ntho a zanka ya dumelleha e ba badimo ba hae ba hanang ka yena ba re le ka mira se le ka mirang mara moya wa hae hore o felelle monameng o feltsa ke rena and ha tlo tlhokofala ka mokgwa wa letso la motho o mong. A sanka ba le botsa mama hore hona le nneo e le tshwantse la ile e phethela ko thabeng la ilo tsosolosa moya mo lena
no le go gomba ile mbara e tshwantse ko twasa a re tloya ko go gomba ke na yona neo anka enka neo eo ya be ke ipakela mathata
ba re le tshwantse le twase mang because motho ke bonang a emeng e le letlozi mo ho lena ke ntate moholo wa hao motho a bele hang mama ene ke ena hantše wa dependa gore o tlhahella ko mang ko batho ba bang o tla re eng neo e teng ko batho ba bang a re neo ha ite a jaja eng motho a balang mama hoba motho a tshwantse a thuse mama. Ke batla ngwana wa ke bana ba babedi ba bashimane mama ona le bana ba babedi ba bashimane. Okay gona le o mong o tlhokofetse
ngwanyana
a kenya ke wa ngwanyana kenya ka moshimane wa mohare
moshimane wa mohare ke Samson
he ke tlhakana le spirit sa high ke ra ile gore mama o mollela a lot.
It's true.
And mama o tla a re o ka re ke irile dilo tse dintse betere le ke paletse ke bophelo ba ka mara he tla mo ngwaneng o go padile kae go padile kae ka baka la re yena ngwana o Samson ke mmona e le ngwana monyane ba tsamaya ka mo plekeng e nngwe o ka re ke tavern but o ka re ke dichomi ka le ngwana ka mo taverneng o ba ntse ba tsena in and out ba bereka ka mahare ha pleke e go rekisiwang jwala but ngwana o nwisiwa moroto wa phofolo e nngwe ha santse a le ka mo and ke yona ntwe e tenang ngwana away from dithuto tsa ka mohae ene ya ba o ka re ke ngwana o ile gore a utlwisagale
nena o na inwela bojwala
ka baka la gore ka mogare ha pleke ke bonang ntho a inwisiwang ke bona e le lebotlolo ene mo lebotlolong la teng go na le letlalo la teng ke la chameleon le something so ka re ke moroto but ke bona e le moroto wa mosadi ke bona hape le mafura a chameleon ka mogare ha lebotlolo leo so ntho o inkile somewhere go jwaleng and that is why ngwana o I don't think re ka khona mo kra right ka baka la gore boloi bo ngwana bo faceitseng ke boloi bo ile gore it could even be something say lore it is not from mona re tswa mote ke batho ba ile gore motho wa teng o thebutswe a ntse a phela gore ebe batho ba ile gore ba drive a business ka mahare ha diplekeng tsa majwala.
It's true because mama always umulora ar ke a bereka ke teng ke a bereka ne ditoro tsa mama
Hona le di processes tse itseng but gore process e re kry re tshwanetse ra kra libitla or at least plus e ile gore ntate mogolo wa mama o boloketswe go teng ene ra ile khopella moya wa ngwana o back ka baka la gore ka mahare ha motso wa thulare o things don't look good. Letla go family e ile gore sure things are very dangerous ene le bethana ka dinoga di phela ke bona mmamogolo le malome ba tsamaile ba ya somewhere ene mo ba tsamang ba ya somewhere ba fitla ba ira taelo ka morao ha letlapa Letla go family e ile gore sure things are very dangerous ene le bethana ka dinoga di phela ene gona le mpho but mpho e a itlotswa mo lena ebile ha e kana ya tswa mo setlogolong sa hao mama gore re ikre right because badimo ba le lebelletse gore they can't find anybody worthy come her family gore at least a peace mo because today somebody peaceful tomorrow ha thoma tshwara se seng ka mahare ha letso o swenkela ba bang o roha ba bang le family ya le leme ya o rohana ali buildane.
It's true
but ntwa ke mama le ausi wa hae le mama le abuti wa hae because ke bona mmamogolo le malome ba tsamaile ba ya somewhere ene mo ba tsamang ba ya somewhere ba fitla ba ira taelo ka morao ha letlapa ene ba fiwa just a very small thing o ka re bolo o ka re ntho o intshang ka mahare ha golf ba fiwa yona ntweo gore ntweo tsa man lo e plantang ka maramotse o ile gore lenyaka dineo tsa bona diwe mofatse e tlo re he that string intse tatologa mo teng ke hona mo ile gore moleko o tswela pele. Now the thing is that batho ba ba yeditseng moleko o ba biditse badimo ba ba holo except one person and that is why ke re koko mama Paulina ke ena tshwantse a ilo activate lengelo ilela mo le bolokileng mo teng because that is our only winning card. So lo ena mama Dimakatso who feel with this task ya gore o tshwanetse o busetse batho go morago there's only one person that you need to call libitso la hae because all the other ancestors ba dumetse gore bana ba rena it's fine ba kana ba ja ke ntwengwe lengwe e nya go ba ja motseleng. That is why even the children ba mama e ba di angels tsa batho ba bang ba ile re ba thola ka bona ba phela le ba shwileng. What happened to your marriage?
My marriage ke sa leboga ka bana ke sa ntse ke ditse motata ko ntlong, but
Hodisa bana, you are better who operator from what I call a satellite branch. I know the demands tsa ka mohabo mama ke tse dintsi, but they are way bigger than you are. Mama o sa phela ro mo kopa ntate moholo ola. Ntate moholo ola after 4 to 6 months ke hona mo atla dumela hore mama a tsamaye ka baka la hore tla be setse wena o mo introduce, tla be setse mama a o introduce itse a o phahlele mama. I introduce wena as the next person who's going to get the baton. Ne? Mara, the thing elon tate mogolo ha o tlo fa yona elon na tshwantse a ife mama, it needs a very good heart. You must say, am I being reasonable to every case that I'm approaching? Because whoever will raise up, or when the person or at least and at least a khotso ka mahai, auna hore o ka tshwara scoopy. Because this is the only other chance. Other than that, by the time badimo ba beta, everybody will get struck down. Re tlo fitla in a position where ho ba le koloi e tsamaya ba re e ya lenyalong kae and everybody dies of a car accident from that one family. So it is up to letswalo la hao, Mama Dimakatso. It's up to letswalo la hao to say, am I being a representative of Badimo le Modimo na when I am ruling on this? Because they will be giving you the same power. Mama. But from what I can tell you, I believe you are on the right track. That means we must stop fighting. There's a higher power, and if I wanna we are going somewhere. Let's say mama kamorena ke motishiwaka hore le khono muthusha hore a tlhokofale in the nice way e le hore o tshwanetse a tsamaye ka yona. Yena setse a itailela ale in the passage of death, mara ha tlhakana le ntate moholo o, it has to happen ka mokgwa ile hore ke mokgwa wa hore yena ha tsena le nka sepela molapong wa moriti wa leho nka se boifi bobe hore re kgone ho thusha mama hore ma fitlang hona ebe a good angel o tlo re ha fitla on the other side yona mpho ele re tshwanetse be ka mo lapeng la hae, because ke bolela so le ena hore mara wa itshwantse tsamaile re be tshwantse be yaka o tla tla o kgetha motho wena o monyakang emma ka mo hae, mara fola mo pelong. Ke a leboha batho ba thulare
o lona re leboga go bua le wena. Now we got clarity.
Ke a leboga mama.
Ha ile a re hona le moya wa dinoa ka jarteng ke ile ka tshoa motho sa tsebe mama ka a hulella ka mokokotlo wa hae, and ile the first time ke mmone ke the way mokokotlo wa hae o leng ka teng mme a kona change the whole body a tloa letlalo sepetlele ba ntse ba re jwetsa hore o nole dipili ba mfile dipilisi tse wrong a le pinki but uzamile hore a recover. Doctor jwetsa hore no, the whole body ya gage letlalo le tla mela happy, but ka mo morago santsane a le the way o bona two tone ka re na di patches like
se ke story se se re bontshang hore ka nnete badimo ba robale ene badimo he bana le morero wa bophelo ba hao ba ka se o tlohele o tlhokofala until le wena o fitla mo badimo be ba ikaeletse hore o fitle. Motheo o wa noha ke motheo le hore o beilwe for a generational curse ba e beile ka the lives of the snake, the number of years e le hore the snakes tse di a iphela, it will be the number of years e dirahalang ka baka la moleko wa kamo. Ntho e kusha motloko ka ra motseo ke hore bana ba bashimane ba kamo ba feletsa ba nona jwala ba sna taba ya o tšea bophelo seriously, and e kusha botlhoko le mo bophelong ba mme Polena mo ile hore o feel hore e re ke no tlhokofala a o sana ntwe ke iphelela mara ba mo haneja hore a o tlo tlhokofala ka mokgwa wo, even though she herself is on the passage of death, badimo ba nyaka a tlhokofale ka nako ya bona e seng ka nako ya baloi.
Khona utate ekhaya, acknowledge that, but ngakwezenza utate ekhaya izinto ezenziwa yilandoda Thixo uyazibona, izihlwele zakowenu siyabona.
igama lami ngoboniswa ngokadludla isibongo ngiphume eBramfisher ngibhalele ukuthi ngifuna i-closure about my life. Uma ngiphuma ngihamba ngithiwa nginabantu abadala but i-closure angiboni because okunye ngikwenzile but i-life yami nje iyantengantenga ayikho right. Ngiyaphupha izinto ezinye izinto ziyenzakala mangiziphupha. Ngifuna usisinalile angiphi i-closure asho ukuthi nginabantu abadala anginabo abantu abadala yini engihluphayo like ku-life yami.
Ngizokunikeza iBhayibhile, ngizocela uvule K1 and then ukhombe randomly. Before ngifune ilizwi lakho, I'm picking up umntana oyinkwenkwe. Ngathi around age 12 and 14. And I'm hearing igama eliqala ngo-L, letter W, A. Natsho noba ngulwandle okanye ngulwazi.
I do have a son of 12 years old.
Mani igama lakhe?
Bongani.
Bongani.
Igama lakhe lesilungu Leonard.
Oh, okay. Before ndingene ezindameni mandifunde ilizwi lakho ne konsalinde ukhulula. So utyhilile ke ku-Isaiah chapter 29 verse 22 ithi, therefore this is what the Lord who redeemed Abraham says to the house of Jacob. No longer will Jacob be ashamed, no longer will their faces grow pale when they see among them their children, the work of my hands. They will keep my name holy. They will acknowledge the holiness of the Holy One of Jacob and will stand in awe of God of Israel. Those who are wayward in spirit will gain understanding. Those who complain will accept instruction. Liz Lagoke makes mention of abantwana. And the first thing that came forward ngumntanakho. But kunelixhego that I'm trying to channel El Pagamayo from your side. Kutatomkhulu ovela kwicala likamama wakho, so it's your maternal energy that is coming through. Ngeyona ngelosi ke ndizawuthi was assigned uhamba nawo and to bless you. Ufuna laa ndawo yelizwi yakho ethi, when they see among their children the work of my hands. So umntana wakho yayisisiphiwo esisuka kuye. So that is the work of his hands ovela kuwo. Umntana wakho ngoyena mntu oza kuhlangula kwiingxaki ezininzi that you are facing now, particularly financial problems. And the reason why ingazukusokolisa laa mntana is because umphiwe ngabantu abadala. Ungumntana ozawuwa evuka nawe. Particularly ke I'm looking on age 20 phaa kuye. Ufuna ugrade bani umntana wakho, because I'm given a sense ukuthi kwa ufunda kwakhe grades he is ahead of intanga zakhe, because when I connect to the age 20 he reads as umuntu uzobe egqibile esikolweni, and ugqibe esikolweni it's not just matric but uzobe egqibile formal education abe ngumuntu ozobe sele phangela uze okokutshintshwa. So ukweyiphi grade ngoku?
In the grade 8.
He is ahead.
In the grade 8.
Because abantwana abana 12 years mayima ko grade 7 but ngokwestandard sangoku abantwana bangena esikolweni bena 7 years full baku grade 6. So yena he is 2 years ahead of peers zakhe. So by age 16 yena uzobe egqibile matric. How many years does it take to do a degree? Normal degrees it's 3, it's 4 years. We are locking on that age 20. So kukhuleka ke kwezinto akazisokola umntana. Njengabanye ke kuthiwe bayasokola ufumana imisebenzi, umuntu wafunda wathi akazusokola lo wona. I am trying to connect kwaye ngifuna ke bakhe bandivulele umyeni wakho ngoba nalapho it's reading very weak. Weak in the sense yoba khona utata ekhaya. Acknowledge that. Asingakwenza utata ekhaya ngathi utsala wedwa. Utsala ukuhlupha. khala ukhale kodwa uzazibuza uncunyiso ngoba iinyembezi zakho ziyabonwa izinto ezenziwa yilaa ndoda Thixo uyazibona izihlwele zakowenu ziyabona bathi kumele uzumkhulule naye because abantu bakokwenu abayifuni bawufuna umtshato bayawuchitha
22 years in drain.
So mkhulule and ixhego lakho nanjengoba bendisitsho ndithi alizi kakubi kodwa into ayithethayo kuwe uba lamsesana khawuveze ndibona le ring uyinxibileyo qala apha ndiyazi ke noba uya-understanda i-meaning ye-ring ne-bond i-ring eyicreatayo qale nje ukukhulula le ring thathela lapho lipinki liphana ebathroom phezu komatshini uzolibeka phezu kwe-chest of drawers ne ngolu hlobo mna ndibonisa ngalo uzawukhulula le ringi uyibeke phaa thathe iglasi yamanzi iglasi yakho please make sure ayina-design ayinantoni it's a plain glass ngala manzi phana galele bit of ityiwa utswayi not a lot uzobeka nje laa tyiwa phana khule le ring uyibeke ecangwayo andizawuhlala njalo awuthathi le ring awuyifake phaa wena uzazibonela into ezawukwenzeka kulaa manzi okanye into ezawukwenzeka kulaa ring kuhleli umkhulu khona into afuna ukupruvela yona okanye ke ndizawuthi nantsi isolution aza nayo ngokutsho ke ndizayivala ndibakhulu abantu abadala nditsho ndithi izinto bebeziphakamisa ndizigqithisile futhi zafika zahlala kuwe ndizawuthi ke ze kube chosi kubele kubhange ubumnyama kuvela ukhanye phezu kobomi bakho kuchume kwande camakho
Yazi maka-pick up my son, it's my son, umntanami omfana, it's my third born. Bengingacabanganga ukuthi anga-pick up umfana wami. Because mina bengizele mina. Yo, I was so shocked. Mayekhuluma nge-part of my husband. Kungizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu because akazi ukuthi what's going on between mina ne-husband yami. But yena uma ithola esikuwumuntu okwazi ukubonela ngale ukwazile ukubona ukuthi khona into engahambi kahle ku-husband wami and then izinto ezenzakalayo ngo-husband wami. So I was so shocked because angikhulumanga ngo-husband.
Namhlanje ke i-reading kaBoniswa ibonakalisa ke uba uThixo namanyange ngamanye amaxesha ke bayasikhupha ke ebantwini abangasifanelanga nokufundisa ukuba ngamanye amaxesha ke imitshato okanye relationships esithe sibe nazo ziba nayo expiration date. Loo nto ke isivalele ke intsikelelo bekumele uba siyasondela kuthi. Intsikelelo ke ezo zithe zavela ke kusisiboniswa ngumntana wakhe bonakalisa kamamanyange akhe ayiva imithandazo mhla waza wacela kumntana oyinkwenkwe wavela. Lo mntana kuyinkwenkwe ubonakala ke uba uyomphathela intsikelelo emosula ke neenyembezi. Mzantsi igama nginaledi ndithi ze kube chosi kubele kubhange ubumnyama kuvela ukhanya kuchume kwande camakho.